as a business owner, time is of the essence oftentimes when it comes to getting business credit and funding so that we can grow our business and invest back into our systems and our marketing and our team. Now, in this video, I am going to tell you a business credit hack that is going to help you build business credit faster than you ever thought you would be able to before. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your favorite stay-at-home millionaire here, Sierra Nicole. My channel is all about business, finance, and entrepreneurship. So if this sounds like your jam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more content. Now, in today's video, we are going to be talking about business credit, one of my favorite topics to talk about. But we're going to be talking about how you can build business credit faster than you're probably building it right now. Now, when it comes to building business credit, the number one component is going to be your payment history. Business credit and personal credit are very different because with personal credit, there are many different factors that go into having a good credit score and a strong report. With business credit, one of the main components is going to be that payment history. And so the more payment history that you will be able to show on your business credit profiles, the better. Now, if you're wondering, well, what are these business credit profiles? You are going to be looking at several different business credit reporting agencies, but the main ones that you want to focus on right now is going to be Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax Business, and Experian Business. There's also other ones like Credit Safe and TILFL, but we're not going to dive too deep into those today. The main focus of this video is really trying to teach you a way to really accelerate the process of building business credit, because like I said in the beginning, time is of the essence, and we don't necessarily have years to wait to get the funding that we need in order to invest back into our business. You need equipment, you need a team, you need marketing, you need all these things now in order to help you grow and increase the amount of money that your business is making, and you can better serve your community and your customers and clients. And one mistake that I see a lot of my students making all the time is that they will go and purchase something from, let's say, a tier 1 business credit vendor, and they'll make a purchase and they'll wait 30 to 60, sometimes even 90 days for that one purchase to report to their business credit. And then after they wait that time period, they'll go and make another purchase and then wait for that to report to the business credit as well. And so when you are doing that, you are prolonging the process of being able to build a strong credit report, because like I said before, the more positive payment history that you can show, the stronger your score and the stronger your report will be. Now, if you're waiting an entire 90 days or 3 months to add a new positive payment activity to your business credit report, it is going to take you ages to get to the business credit score that you want and to be able to qualify for higher loans, lines of credit, and things like that under your business name. And so one of the things that I always advise all of my students is that the quicker that you move within your process, the faster that you'll be able to build a business credit score. Now, is this overnight? Absolutely not, right? I don't advocate for any type of quick fixes when it comes to anything within your business, but that doesn't mean it has to take you years. So what I advise you to do is to get a handful of different vendors from each tier and go and make some purchases of at least $50 from each of those, all within a span of 30 days. And if you are looking for some vendors outside of the typical ones you always hear about, like Uline and Granger, I have a list available for you of 135 different business credit vendors, lenders, and banks that you can go to that actually report to your business credit. So I'll go ahead and link that down below in the description box for you. But you'll want to get at least 3 to 5 different vendors in tier 1, and within the span of 30 days, make some purchases with them, at least $50 so that it'll report. And you also need to pay attention to which credit bureaus are they reporting to, because some vendors will only report to Equifax Business. Some vendors may only report to Dun & Bradstreet. Some might report to Equifax and Experian, but not Dun & Bradstreet. So it's really important to understand where all of these accounts are going to be reporting, because the goal is to have at least 1 or 2 to start out with on each and every single report. And so once you accomplish that for tier 1, you'll move on to the next tiers, and there's 4 total tiers, which I'll do another video explaining what the tiers are for your business credit. But there are 4 different levels to business credit, and so you'll want to have vendors that you have purchased with on each and every single tier. This is going to help you boost up your business credit score a lot faster instead of you waiting. So you don't have to wait for someone to report a purchase or report a payment for you to move on to the next vendor. Even if you were to set aside $200 per month to dedicate to building up your business credit, that's going to go a long way. So don't wait. Go ahead and start making those purchases now, even if your other accounts have not reported yet. Also, another thing that you want to be sure of is that you are waiting for them to invoice you before you pay. Now, there will be some vendors, especially in the beginning, if you are a newer business and have no business credit history, they may actually ask you to make a few purchases ahead of time before they can extend you a line of credit, and that is okay. And that is why it is very important for us to, within those 30 days, to make purchases from multiple vendors so that you're not having to play the waiting game with only one store. So if you grab the list that's in my description box below, there's 135 different vendors, lenders, and banks that you can go to for each level of building up your business credit. Grab about 5 of those for a 30-day period, make some purchases, apply for some credit, and then move on to the next. And I promise you, this method is going to help you build a stronger business credit report a lot faster. There's no use in waiting 12 months in order for you to finally get just a few accounts reporting. By 12 months, you should have many different accounts reporting on every single level, and you should be able to start getting qualified for some higher lines of credit, whether it's store credit, revolving credit, or even getting a vehicle within your business name. So hopefully this is helpful for you. Throw your questions, comments, concerns down below. And obviously, if you've made it this far within the video, that means you're probably interested in business, finance, and entrepreneurship. And that is what my channel is all about. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any more content. And again, this is your stay-at-home millionaire here, Sarah Nicole. I'm going to catch you on the next video.